Class 9, Chapter 13, Surface Areas and Volumes, Module 8. Objectives. In this module, you will learn about surface area of a sphere and volume of sphere. Now, last class we had discussed the surface area of a sphere. So, listen carefully this question. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 cm to 14 cm as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloon in the two cases. So listen carefully. Here, when air is being pumped into it, the radius increases. So the first radius is what? 7 cm. Now, balloon is in the shape of a sphere. So, what is the surface area? So, initial surface area of radius 7 cm is 4 pi into r square is what? 7 into 7. Now, you can multiply it or you can keep it in that way. 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Now, the second case, the radius is what? 14 cm. So, 4 pi r square is equal to 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. So, product 2464. Now, the ratio of the surface area we need to find out. So, 616 by 2464, which is equal to lowest form 1 by 4. So, the ratio is what? 1:4. Now, the second question. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. So, the diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Now we know the moon and earth are in the shape of a sphere. So surface area of the sphere of radius r 4 pi r square. You know that. Let d1 be the diameter of the moon and d2 be the diameter of the earth. Then r1 be the diameter of the radius of the moon and r2 be the radius of the earth. Now what is the condition given? D1, the diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth, that is 1/4 of D2. Now what is D1? Twice of R1 is equal to 1/4 2 into R2. Now 2 is both sides having 2, so we can cancel. Remaining what? R1 is equal to 1/4 into R2. Now the ratio of their surface areas, which is equal to what? S1 is to S2. 4 pi r1 square is to 4 pi r2 square. So both 4 pi we can cancel. Remaining what? R1 square is to R2 square. Now what is R1? 1/4 R2. So substitute 1/4 R2 the whole square is to R2 square. That is 1/16 R2 square is to R2 square. Both side R2 square you can cancel. Remaining what? 1/16 is to 1. Now cross multiply, that is what? 1:16, which is the ratio. Now the third question. A hemispherical bowl is made of steel of 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. So if R1 is 5 centimeter and thickness is 0.25. So it's capital R. The capital radius is what? 5 plus 0.25, which is equal to 5.25 centimeter. Now the outer curved surface area we need to find out, which is what? 2 pi capital R square. So 2 into pi 22 by 7. Then what is the radius? 5.25, which can be written as what? 525 by 100. So r square is there. So 525 by 100 2 times. Now you can cancel 525 by 7 and you can cancel 22 and 100 etc. At last what we get? 173.25 centimeters square. Now next question. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. We need to find out surface area of the sphere, second curved surface area of the cylinder, and third one ratio of the surface obtained in first one and second one. Now radius of the sphere r. Surface area of the sphere, we know the equation what? 4 pi r square. Now radius of the cylinder r. But the height of the cylinder is what? Is the diameter, isn't it? So twice of r. Now curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. So 2 pi r into h is what? Twice of the radius. Now multiply it. 4 pi r square is there. Now the ratio is equal to what? 4 pi r square. The first one by 4 pi r square. That is what? 1 by 1, which is equal to 1:1. Now the last question of a spherical surface area. The hemispherical dome of a building needs to be painted. If the circumference of the base of the dome is 17.6 meter, find the cost of painting it. Given the cost of painting is rupees 5 per 100 centimeters square. Now the circumference of the circle what? 2 pi r. So which is given as 17.6. Now 2 into 22 what? 44 r is equal to 17.6 into 7. So what is radius? 123.2. The product of 17.6 into 7. Now 44 r is equal to 17.6 into 7. So r is equal to what? Product of that 17.6 into 7 is 123.2 by 44. So the radius is equal to what? 2.8 meter, which is equal to 280 centimeter. Now the curved surface area of the hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 280 into 280, which is the radius. Now what is that? The product is 34,49,600 divided by 7. So at last what we get? 4,92,800 centimeters square. Now cost of painting rupees 5 per 100 centimeters square is given. So we need to find out what the total cost is equal to. This much area, 4,92,800 into 5 by 100. So what is that last? The total cost is equal to 24,640. Okay. Now the next question, what equation what? Volume of the sphere. The last one equation is there. Volume of the sphere is equal to what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now hemisphere is also there. Half of that sphere. So volume of hemisphere is equal to what? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now some questions. Find the volume of the sphere whose radius is 7 centimeter. So radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Volume of the sphere is equal to what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is 4 by 3 into pi 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 is the radius. So you can cancel or you can multiply it. At last what? 1437.33 centimeter cube. Now the next one. Find the amount of water displaced by a solid spherical balloon of diameter 28 centimeter. Now the radius is equal to what? 28 by 2 is equal to 40 centimeter. The amount of water it is displaced is equal to the volume. So volume of the spherical ball is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 40. So what is that? 34,496 by 3, which is equal to 11,498 2 and 2 by 3 centimeter cube. Now the last question is on the diameter of a metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball if the density of the metal is 8.9 gram per centimeter cube? Now the diameter of the ball is 4.2 centimeter is given. Then radius is what? 4.2 by 2 is 2.1 centimeter. Volume of the ball is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Just substitute 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube pi r cube. 21 into 21 into 21. Now what is that product? 38.808 centimeter cube. So mass we need to find out. Mass is equal to what? Volume into density. So volume is what? 38.808 into 8.9. So what is the product? 345.3912 gram. Okay, 345.3912 gram. Clear, students? Okay, thank you.